Stop it. You're making me really mad. I'm making my slime, okay? This is what happens when you make me stressed out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry about that whole eclipse scene. My brother was in here. I just had to freak him out. But I eating my slime. Okay guys. The slime's edible. So, I have a slime packet, and I really want to see if there's anything inside. Okay, something just fell out. This is why I can't open slime packages. But it's a very nice box, actually. So here's a note. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry guys, my brother was trying to get in my room. So, yeah. I'm actually going to move the my stupid camera. Okay, stop it. Sorry, my camera keeps on doing it. It tried to do it again. Okay, so the note, it says, have a good day. Okay, I already am. And it is clearly night out. That's why I have my fan on. I almost fell back on my chair. That's why I have my fan on. Happy slime making. Oh, I mean slime playing. Okay. Have some good slime. Why wouldn't I? Maybe if it's bad. Okay. And Instagram slime_great or awesome, and no refunds for you. That's what it says. So let's get started. I just pulled this out. That's done. And I see sticky notes. Pretty good. And then, I don't get what these are. Let's open it. Okay. They're mints. I want to have one. Come on. Sorry, guys. Okay, sorry guys, I just had to tie it again. Now I'm going to eat one. No! Sorry guys. Okay. First slime. This has it on the lid and none of the other ones do. So that's kind of weird. I'm rating this. It's not so stretchy, but I'm rating it an 8. So that's an 8. Yeah, there's slime in there. Just dump it to the top. Let's see what it does. Okay, so this has a lid of that. So, yeah. I made a bubble in here. Oh my gosh, so weird. Okay, I'm not even playing with this now. Get off me. This is a 3. This one, same design. This one is a 9. And there's one more left in this package. Oh my gosh, sticky. So, that design. Then, final one. Same design. I love when it does this. Okay, it kind of stuck to the lid. But I did tip it over. It is so sticky, but it's so amazing. I already have a rating for this. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. My rating is a 9.5 right now. Okay, I'm gonna activate this a little bit more. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. I'm activating this. Maybe I shouldn't have done this. It's like not good anymore. That's my fault. So I'm gonna ask her how she makes this one. It's really nice. It's kind of sticky, but it's really nice. My gosh. So this is a 10 out of 10. Come on! It's just really sticky. I'm not minding the stickiness because like every slime is like that. I'm just minding like the texture and stuff like that. Yeah, amazing. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Peace.